Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the status format in the MTA TrainTime application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the Settings section, click on the Display Options button. And here, look for the Status Format section. And as you can see, you can set which status you want to see. And just click on that. And once you see the tick next to it, it means that it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.